Oh, hello, bird. Are you going to teach us how to spell? That's helpful. C A T Cat. That spells cat. You'd better hide in case a real one comes. Off you go. Hello, who do we have here? What are you doing, mouse? B. That spells bat. Hello. What's happened here? Who's done this? Something funny must be going on here. Ha, got you. Was it you? Did you change this? Just go and bring the letter back, will you? Thank you. Oh, you've brought a new letter this time. What will it spell this time? H. That spells hat. Very good. And as a reward, here you are, a piece of cheese. And that was spelling.